What is up, guys? It is your boy Lavon Cason back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my SowTech 2-in-1 HDMI Splitter, and the reason why I got this is because to record footage for my Amazon Fire Stick right here. And yeah, so let's unbox it. As you can see, I'm unboxing it right now. Alright, so this is the HDMI Splitter. As you can see, SowTech. Back says made in China. That's the AC adapter for the splitter. And this is the user manual. Alright, so that was the unboxing. Now it is time to hook this up and try to see if this works for my Fire Stick TV. So yeah, see you guys later. Peace, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that notification bell to be notified for future Lavon Cason videos and future Lavon Cason live streams.